What if I told you there was a way to elevate your makeup while also preventing it from melting off in the summer heat? I'm Nina, and today I'm going to give you some tips on how you can elevate your summer makeup even when it feels like it's going to melt off. I don't know about you, but I really struggle with keeping my makeup looking fresh and clean in the summer heat. I tend to sweat and the makeup just kind of comes off as the time goes on. I'm pretty sure a lot of people go through this, so I've come up with a few ways on how to combat that this summer. Tip number one is to use a really great mattifying primer. I can attest that this one by One Size Beauty does just the trick. All you need is a pea-sized amount on all the areas that you get super oily or super sweaty, and I just apply it right before I put on my base, and oh my goodness, it stays all night long. I feel like even when I sweat, it doesn't cause my makeup to move, and that's what we're going for. Tip number two is to opt in for a skin tint instead of a foundation. I can't tell you how much this tip will help you this summer. I started using skin tints and I've noticed the biggest change in the way my skin looks in photos, but also how my makeup wears all day long. I think that this is such an underrated step because your skin will look like skin, and even if you sweat, even if you're wearing it all day long and your skin dries out a little bit, your makeup will not separate the same way as if you're wearing a foundation. This is smoother, lightweight, and not to mention there's still coverage. So even if you have spots, even if you have discoloration, even if you have dark circles, I think this is a great option for the summer. And to make it even better, it comes in with SPF 30. So you should still apply sunscreen separately, but this has sunscreen in it, which is always a plus. Okay, the next tip is to opt in for cream products over powders. This is such a game changer because I started using cream products such as contours and blushes, and in the summertime I just feel like my skin looks like it's skinning, and in photos my skin looks dewy and hydrated rather than when I use powder products and my face looks a little more cakey and dry. That's the last thing you want to look like in the summertime. The summer is all about that glowy tan skin vibe. I feel like you can really achieve that with cream products over powders. So I have this one by Makeup by Mario. It's their Soft Pop Plumping Blush Veil, and this is in Berry Punch. I opt in for blushes like these because it gives me that dewy finish but also looks like my skin. So I just look extra hydrated, I look plump, I look healthy, and it looks like I'm really taking care of my skin in the summertime. The next tip is to use a waterproof eyeliner and a waterproof mascara. I feel like this is such a game changer for the summer too, because if your eyeliner isn't moving, you're always gonna look fresh, you're always gonna look awake. And if you have that smudgy eyeliner, it is kind of a look if that's what you're going for, but most of the time you still want to look clean and you want those lines to be sharp, and that can really stay all night long in the summertime if it's waterproof. Some of my favorite eyeliners for the summer are by Kulfi Beauty. They're called the Underlined Kajal Eyeliner line, and they have many different colors. They're perfect for the summer because they don't move at all, and they also give you such a beautiful pop on your eyes. The most important part of it is that in the summertime, it will not move around. I will not look tired. I will not look like a raccoon by the end of the night because my makeup will be staying all night long. And so there you have it. Those are my summer tips for elevating your makeup so that you look great no matter how hot it is, no matter how cool it is, no matter if you're indoor or outdoor. These tips will save you from the summer heat. Let me know if you have any questions or if there are any other videos that you want me to make. I am Nina. Like I said, you can like, subscribe. You can follow me on my socials at Nina Kolk, and I hope to see you next time.